Hi everybody. I'm going to discuss a topic today that it's not going to promise you to make you a stunning guitar player in 3 days if you play these exercises 3 times a day. What it's going to make is going to make you a really good guitar player is if you spend a few months working these all out. Yeah, it's boring, it's tedious, but in the end, you'll be able to access a lot of different ideas from many different places on the neck. First example is going to be with some open strings. Okay, now we have another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Let's do G major with some open strings to start. Okay, next. Next. Okay, how about C major? Now with some open strings. Okay, how about C minor? Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with E minor, starting on the same G. Now let's move over. How about A7? So A dominant 7. Okay, so we're going to start on the G. A7, open strings. Okay, another way. Another way. A minor 7 with some open strings. Here's another one. Okay, how about E flat? We're going to start here. Okay, here's another one. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. You get the idea, and certainly you really should think about what you're actually playing, because if you just memorize the shapes, you'll never really understand what you're doing. So it's really much better if you understand what notes you're playing. So for instance, if you're playing G minor, you should know that you're going G, B flat, D, F, G, B flat, D, F, G. Or if you're in E flat, you know you're going to be going G, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, G. One of the fun things that you can do after mastering the picking and the fingering is to string some of these phrases together. So here's an example. Let's say we do G minor, pick off some of the overdrive, E flat, C minor, D7. Now I didn't show you the D7 line, I'll show it to you, but I'm going to start it on the G note again, just like everything else. So the G7, the D7 is going to be. So one more time, it's going to be G minor, E flat, C minor, D7. Here we go. One more time. And don't forget, speed is not important. What's important is accuracy, because the speed will come after you're accurate. Again, G minor, E flat, C minor, D7. Okay, another example would be G major, E minor, C, and again the D7. So it would sound like. All right, here we go. All right, one more time, and that's G, E minor, C, D7. Okay, I hope that works for you.